It's arrived! Hey guys, welcome back to this week's vlog. So this week we thought we would have a day at the yard. So first of all, I have this very exciting package that arrived yesterday. So we're going to open this up so you guys can see what it is, have a try, and then I'm going to ride Zeb and Maximus in the school who have only been hacked for the last 4 weeks, so that may be interesting. So we'll open this up so we can see what it is. Zoom in there, Lauren. Not that I think that gives any ideas away. Got a plug. It's always useful. A battery thing, I'm guessing. Okay. And quite a cool carry case. Anyone got any guesses yet? Okay, so basically everyone I'm sure knows that I have a Cyclosage massage rug, which I got back in January and I absolutely love it. It's the best thing I have ever got. All my horses love it. We use it all the time at home, before competitions, after competitions, after the cross country. It's just amazing, and I haven't actually had to have a physio all year because it's such a good deep tissue massage, and it has loads of different benefits. It helps with mild colic, it helps with swollen legs, it helps with arthritis, kissing spine, saddle soreness, all sorts. So we use it always before I do a dressage test, before I go in the school really. And like I say, after a long 3-day event, maybe after the cross country, to make sure all the muscles are all still in good working order and haven't gone into spasm or anything. Anyway, so I then had a email conversation with Sean, and they have another product called the Mountie massage pad that's basically a smaller version. So the massage rug does all of the horse. And it's amazing, but it is quite heavy to lug around sometimes, and if we're going to just 1-day shows. So I've been talking to him and I've been looking at it, and I was quite interested in trying the Mountie massage pad just because it's smaller, and obviously you can see this is a lot easier to carry around the place, a lot easier to take to 1-day shows. It'd be easier to put on the ponies because the massage rug come in 3 different sizes, I think, so you have to get it really to go with your horse. So mine's for sort of 16-1 horses, because that's mostly what I've got, and it does go on the ponies, it's just quite big. So this is a lot easier. So it arrived today, so I haven't used it yet, and I've got to figure out how to use it. Because of lockdown, Sean didn't come out to show me, but he said I could just ring him if I had any questions. So basically it sort of is a bit more the size of like an equilibrium massage rug. Pad, sorry, that goes under the tummy, so Zeb might not like that, and then it velcros on there, and that's as far as I've got at the minute. So I think we might have to have a little look, and then we'll try it on Zeb. So I'm going to put it on Zeb for the first time, and then I'm going to school him, so then we can see how he feels about it. So we just spent the last 20 minutes trying to figure out. So it basically comes with this charger that is obviously not UK. It's like what you'd charge in a shaver or electric toothbrush in. So we also got given this, which is just an adapter. So we've spent the last 20 minutes trying to pull this bit, slide it off, pull it off, walk it up to Scott, and he says literally you just take the label off. So it's like this. What idiots we are. I've made sure the batteries are fully charged before putting it on, because that's what the instructions say. So this is the first time I've ever put it on, so you might need to bear with me if I'm not quite sure, but this will show you how easy it is to put on or not. Now, Zeb is a little bit annoying to put anything on, and he will pull some faces, so ignore that. Nothing to do with the product, that's just him. It's quite cold, so I've just folded the rug half back, just because he was clipped yesterday, so we want to keep him nice and warm. So I think this goes like that, so it sits on like that. Around the front like that, and then you've got a strap that comes up underneath, clips in, which obviously you don't want it too baggy because you want it to basically hold it in place in case he moves around. There's the Mountie massage pad. So this is the first time I've ever used it, even put it on. You saw how easy that was to put on. So now we're going to turn it on and see what he thinks. So I think it's under here, yep. Plug that in the top there. Oh, and that's on. We'll put it on the gentle setting to begin with. So that's just indicates the settings. You put that down and that's now vibrating. Good boy. Ruby, should we just mind out the way? Good boy. So I think Zeb might just be a bit funny because he sometimes, when things are under his tummy, but hopefully he should settle into it. They all probably feel a little bit different, so always make sure the first time you put any sort of massage pad on, you're here with them, keeping an eye in case they all of a sudden don't start to like it, but he should relax down in a bit. So we're going to leave him to that for, I think it's a half an hour cycle before I ride him. Carnage! Oh, for goodness sake! This is how our day's going!
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home.
get involved.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Zeb's just finished his workout, so we're just putting a Snuggie hood on, if I just make sure I get it right. He was clipped yesterday and washed, so just to try and keep him nice and clean. Good job, he's good. There are his eyes.
You went for the head collar on.
Well, I didn't want to lose him, we just had a bit of carnage. So just to keep him clean and try and keep his mane from falling out too much. And that goes. Right, hair collar back on. I did just delete the stuff I'd already put on. Does it underneath there. And then we're going to put a rug on, and then he's going to go out for the rest of the day. Let me just get his rug.
You're having some ear issues. Oh. Got some ear issues. There you go.
I've actually got a fresh, clean rug. Obviously, he doesn't have a fresh, clean rug every day. That would be a bit dramatic. No, so this one just went off to be repaired for the under the Sir single. And that's just come back, and I waited till I'd washed and clipped him for him to have the nice clean rug on, which is from Equine. This one's a 200 gram, and then he also has a 450 when it's quite cold, but it's not that cold at the minute. So we've just got overreach boots, because if he loses his shoes, even if you get the farrow out straight away, he generally is lame because he's got pathetic feet, really. And he's now going to go out in the field with Maximus. Just in here. Get this clean rug on footage before he oh. God, carnage today, all of them. You're going to roll in the same spot now. Yep, the nice clean rug. Lovely.